me take the clothes!
Why did we do this?
There's so much blood!
Every time they come out, they cut my hands again. Why didn't we get the mutant healing?
Why won't they go back in? Make it stop!
You have to be calm or they won't go in.
I hate blood! I can't calm down!
Well, you have to be calm.
I know that!
Oh, thank God. Holy shit, did you cut off your nipple?
What?
Oh shit! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Lou! I think I just stabbed myself in the chest! Please, God! Wake me up! Wake me up!
Lou, you have to help me.
Please help me! Okay. Just don't move! I'm gonna apologize. Just turn it off. Oh shit!
Did you hit Brain?
Greg,
Did you hit Brain?
probably a little. Oh, nice. Did you hit Brain?
Probably a little.
Okay. Truce. Right? On the count of 3, we'll both let our bodies go completely relaxed. 1, 2, 2. What comes after 2?
What?
What comes after 2? Fuck! What comes after 2?
Cookie?
Oh, we should have taken the mutant healing.
Cookie.